Hello everyone, it's Elle from gmailfiend once again, and for this video I'll be showing you guys on how to create a numbered list here on Gmail. So you can do so by composing a message, so click that, and in that new message pop-up you can type in the email body and you can type in anything you like. So let's just do that. And for example, you want to give a set of instructions to a certain person. So this numbered list is good for enumerating these said instructions. So let's just type in So here we have a set of instructions and you want to make it a numbered list. What you have to do is you just select all and here refer to the formatting options below and you will see this numbered list icon. So it's beside the bulleted list option. So let's just click the numbered list, and as you can see we now have a numbered list here on your email body. So of course you can just do this one, however you have to type the numbers as well, and by using the numbered list then you can save some time. So alternatively you can click the numbered list first and type in your instructions, and as you can see it's automatic. So yes, that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching and I hope you tune in for more.